Friends, Running Kimono here. This is the best paper deals of the week over at Walgreens for the week of August the 16th to the 22nd. We're going to start this video off really strong with a free 8x10 photo using the code GET1. So you put this order in through the app, drive to the store and pick up your photo print. Make sure to punch in your phone number when the cashier's running it through the register in case you might get a paper register reward. How fun is that? Let's get right into this with the first curbside deal, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. We're going to utilize this friend, which is a spend 40 to get back 10, because the word spend is in there. For the balance, you have to use your credit or debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash. So the first thing that we're going to do is throw in 2 of these Bounty paper towels for $25.98. We currently have $1 digital coupons, so brace yourself. Some amazing savings right there. But usually these are $15.99, so down to $12.99. And then 2 of the 9 counts of the Charmin, so either the strong or the ultra soft, you pick. And again, we have another $1 digital coupon that's attaching. Maybe your account might have more than mine. Now, just to get the numbers to balance, throwing in one of these puffs for $6.99. Unfortunately, there is no digital coupon attaching. Alternatively, if there's a $4.99 Charmin that you want to try and sub out instead of this, perhaps the discount code AUG10 will work, but this is how I got it to work. As you see, my $2 digital coupons came off, and then using the code AUG10, that finally worked for me, where I got an additional $10 off my transaction, making it $12 off, so not bad. And just to show you, the overall total here is $58.95, AUG10 taking 10, an additional $2, so $49.89. Pay that with your debit card, and then you're getting back 10, making it with tax. If you don't have tax in your state, it would be $3 less, about $37 or $39, which is still somewhat expensive, but we're talking premium Bounty, premium Charmin. I know a lot of you that like the fancier stuff would think that this would be a good deal. Alternatively, the rest of the deals we're looking at are just straight flips with Walgreens cash, not a large out of pocket like this, because I know right now a lot of us just can't swing it. This next deal you can either do in-store or curbside. Either way, it is to grab 2 of the 12 counters or 2 of the 6 counters. The 6 counters are scented. I know not everybody's favorite. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then 2 of these friends, buy one, get one 50% off. I know a lot of you really don't like this Scott's paper towel, and I hear you. I kind of have a similar love-hate relationship with it. We have these coupons from the previous week, which is a 2 off a 2, so you're getting $4 off with manufacturer coupons. And these products are buy one, get one 50% off, so not bad. Unfortunately, WAG10, that little code, curbside, would not attach, but I did try. So putting 2 of these into a cart, remember they're $5 per unit. Buy one, get one 50% off. So it's actually $7.50. And please make sure you have your coupons loaded. Just go below the product to press the plus button to load the coupon. And then we have our paper towel, buy one, get one 50% off for $7.50 with our friend, the 2 off 2 coupon. And just to show you guys, the $4 in digital coupons melted off, but the WAG10 code, I could not get it to go, maybe because it's buy one, get one 50% off, and it's already a sales price in the system. But we're at 15, subtracting the 4, it's $11.90. If you want to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $1.90. If you're doing this in store, it would shake out to be the exact amount. And what I'm suggesting is, if you have register rewards, say from other deals that you're like, hey, I don't know what to do with them, or they're about to expire, this would be a really great deal to sink it into. Why not? So just a thought for you guys. Okay, let's keep this moving with deal number 3. For this one, we are going to be grabbing, we're still curbside, we're grabbing 3 of these Walgreens bathroom tissues, which are the 9 count for $5. We have a $1.50 digital coupon attaching to each, so that's $4.50 off. Alternatively, you can grab the Walgreens toilet paper, paper towel. They have some solo cups like the knockoffs, the knockoff plates as well. It's all Walgreens generic brands, but that $1.50 is attaching to multiple items, which is really fantastic this go around. As you can see, our $4.50 with that $1.50, it's times 3, so it's $4.50 off. And then you can use that fabulous little code WAG10 to save an additional $5 off. So that is nothing to sneeze at, saving a little bit more money. So this deal is better doing it curbside than in store to save that extra $1.05. So 15 subtracting your $1.50 and WAG10, that's $5.55 melting off. 57 cents of tax. $2 if you want to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 2 cents, drive to the store and pick this up, and I think you've won the gold medal in savings for paper this week. I did want to point something out on IBOTTA. There's $1 back. These are the 4 counts of the Kleenex. Walgreens sells 3 counts of the Kleenex, not the 4s. So unfortunately, you can't do this deal in concert at Walgreens unless they sell the larger boxes at your local store, which they don't do up here. Okay, so now we're doing another curbside deal. It is for some fancier Cottonelle. These are 2 for $14, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. The best way to do this deal, class, is to do it curbside because you can use that code WAG10 to save a little bit more money, and we're all about that. So we're going to toss 2 of these into your cart for $14 and load that 2 off of 2 coupon. It's going to drop it down to $12. What's the original price on these? $8.99 for one 6-pack of this toilet paper, and they are 6 equals 24. They're pretty thick rolls, and I know a lot of you prefer Cottonelle, so I mean, not bad. Just to show you guys, that 2 off of 2 is coming off, and with using the code WAG10, we're saving an additional $1.20. That's why doing some of these deals curbside are just a little bit better. And then just to show you guys, the overall total is 14, WAG10, $2 manufacturer, $11.57. If you want to use $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $1.57, not a bad little deal for some Cottonelle. Okay, so the next 2 deals are in store because they're involving register rewards. This first one is for this double pack of the Bounty Essential. So it is a 2 double rolls of the paper towels for $3.49. Buy 2, get back a $2 register reward. There is no manufacturer coupon for this deal, but if you have register rewards, by all means, toss them in for a lower out of pocket. 2 of these friends is $6.98 at $3.49 a unit times 2. Getting back that $2 register reward, and don't be shy to ask the cashier, like, hey, is that machine printing this morning? They will know definitively. $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 after your register reward. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. These do not take up a huge amount of space, so if you're apartment living or limited on space, this would be really ideal for your stockpile. The final deal that we're looking at is number 6, and we're doing this one in store because it's involving a register reward. It is to grab one of these Charmin Essentials at $4.99, and then one of the longer packs of the paper towel also at $4.99. We have a $1 digital off on both and a 3 off a 2 register reward when you buy 2 of them. Grabbing 2 of these friends, remember you need 1 paper towel, 1 toilet paper. That's $9.98. Subtracting $2 digital coupons, that's 2 coming off. $7.98 you'll pay. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal for some cheap paper towel. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.